Atrium, built with Opus 4.6.
Here's a question. You're hiring an engineer who'll debug production systems, navigate ambiguous requirements, and make judgment calls at 2 in the morning when the alert fires. So why are you watching them invert a binary tree? Leetcode doesn't tell you how someone thinks. And whiteboard interviews? They tell you who's good at whiteboard interviews. Meanwhile, the best engineers, the ones you actually want, they've stopped playing this game entirely. What if the interview just worked like the job? Atrium replaces coding puzzles with paid, real-world challenges. You upload your SDK, your job description, a candidate's resume, and an Opus 4.6 agent designs a custom interview around the work you actually do. The candidate gets a full development environment, your code, real tools, Claude Code, and they build. No trick questions, no time pressure theater, just work. And here's the part that changes everything. While they work, Atrium's observation layer, 3 Opus 4.6 agents working in concert, maps their reasoning in real time. Not keystrokes, not screen recordings, thinking. Do they read the error message before they start changing code? Do they form a hypothesis or just start guessing? When they use AI, do they evaluate the output or paste it blindly? When the session ends, you don't get a gut feeling. You get a scorecard, built against your rubric, backed by evidence, with every strength and concern traced to a specific moment in the session. And the candidate? They got paid. For real work, with real tools, evaluated on how they actually think, not whether they memorized Dijkstra's algorithm. That's not just a better interview, that's respect on both sides of the table. Atrium, see how they think.